did a double arch chrome surgery,
Absolutely.
C2F small hole technology.
Right.
Dr. Young, Dr. Steinberg is doing the recording, and Dr. Young did the surgery, and I'd say it was a pretty good experience, no?
Great experience, yes. I've sort of been dragging my feet on getting started with guided surgery because I'm one of those guys that have done, hundreds and hundreds of those just by freehand. Been doing implants for a long time. So I thought, why would I need to go to guided?
Yeah.
But I thought, for the preciseness of it, and be honest with you, got tired of grinding on plastic
Right.
to retrofit dentures that many times didn't work out too good the day of surgery. So I have taken some courses and did my homework, and I really settled in on your lab, Roll Lab, and I like the whole chrome setup. I love the guide that you can get underneath it, see underneath it, irrigate underneath it, so the visibility is phenomenal.
The visual part was nice because you used the MegaGen kit.
I used the MegaGen kit, and I've been very satisfied with MegaGen implants, and I was really happy to know that they had a great surgical kit.
And you visually, because each one of those implants you put in by hand, so you could watch them go just to the depth, right at the crest or a little bit subcrestal.
And that was one of the things that made me have so much trepidation in going to a plastic guide, that I just couldn't see anything. Being a surgeon for so long
Right.
and not being able to see anything, to me was frightening.
Right.
To be honest with you,
And that's the nice thing about freehand, you can see the implants. But
I could see the implant.
But it's nice to have a pre-manufactured prosthetic.
Pre-manufactured prosthetic, so no more plastic surgery.
Yeah.
We had something, and
Right.
today it went about as smooth as it could possibly go. So we
And you
were
only had the pickup, we did the rapid pickup, but everything else was
just
extra
did the
oral.
rapid pickup, one pickup
And
today.
everything else was extra oral.
Everything else was extra oral, and the prosthetics are phenomenal.
They were nice too.
I mean, phenomenal. It
the
doesn't
bite was dead on.
bite. We didn't touch the bite.
Didn't touch the bite.
Put it in. Bite was dead on. Everything went according to plan. So if you watch the videos like I did, it went exactly like that.
Yeah.
So
First
I
time, great
was really
success.
impressed, and the first time that I've actually did this particular guide and did guided surgery
Yeah.
with the chrome guide. So real happy.
Guess we got a thumbs up today. All right.
Definitely thumbs up.
And also,
Great.
pay attention for the Young technique, because we put some, we're gonna put some videos out there that are gonna be some real nice tips for the Young technique.
I was glad to add a little something. The experience added a little something to create the Young technique
Yeah.
and to the insertion of the guided implants. Yeah.
All right. Thank
Great.
you very much.
Thank you, and thanks to Alan. Couldn't have done it without the full team.
Welcome.
So we had our prosthetic doctors, Steinberg and Paluca and Alan here. So it was all good.
Great team.